Hi everyone, Dean here from infiniDome Field Appliance Engineer team, and we are going to show you our infiniDrone experimental drone that we are using is protected against jamming. We are connected to this drone two receiver. One is protected and one is unprotected, and we are going to show you how our solution is still going to work in environment that is full with jamming. So let's go to fly.
First, let's understand what we are seeing on the screen. On the right, we have the map showing the drone marker and the home point. On the left, we have two displays. On the upper screen, we can see inductor showing the drone angle. In the same display, on the left, we see the drone speed, and on the right, we will see the altitude. Additionally, a bit lower, we have two inductors. One showed the GPS reception on our unprotected receiver, the year 2, and the GPS2 showing the reception on the protected receiver with the GPSdome2. In the lower screen, we'll focus on the sat count, which induct the number of the satellite received by the unprotected system, and the sat count 2, which induct the number of the satellite in the protected system with the GPSdome2. Okay, let's continue to the flight. Before takeoff, we see the satellite reception of the boat receiver because the area we are flying in only has jamming in the altitude. After takeoff, when we are reached to the jamming altitude, the unprotected system starts to lose reception, and the number of the satellite decrease until it reaches almost zero and even to zero on the unprotected receiver. In contrast, in the protected system with the GPSdome2, there are only slight decrease in the number of the satellite, but the reception remains stable, allow the drone continue navigate even in the area with the multiply jamming.